We hope this lesson points you to God's amazing handiwork above the waters and under the waters, and that you are inspired to create some art yourself. Use your God-given creativity and some art supplies to make some visual reminders of God's creation. Now, go make some art. You've got this. But most importantly, forget not the Lord. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.